Beautiful Lord Krishna dress, Kahana ji ki beautiful dress. Welcome to my channel. For this we have to take material yarn, hook 3 mm, scissor, needle and stitch marker. We will start from the neck. For this we have to make first slip knot. This is the pattern I am telling is for size 0 to 1. Make accordingly. Slip knot, then 14 chains. We will make magic ring using these 14 chains. Make together, grow together. Come and practice with me. These 14 chains ready. Then we will slip knot to the first stitch or slip stitch to the first stitch. This is the first chain. We will slip a stitch here. Our ring, or you can say neck, is ready. Please measure the size. If is it okay, then continue further. Otherwise, increase or decrease the chain. Now round to 1 chain, then 18 single crochet into the ring itself. Place a stitch marker into the first stitch and make 18 single crochet. Our 18 stitches are completed. Now slip a stitch to the first stitch to complete this round. Our round is complete. Then leave the yarn here. Don't cut it. If you want to cut, you can cut, but if you can leave it here. Insert new yarn for the next round in the same space where you left the cream yarn. Insert there. Now in round 3, first stitch, make puff stitch. For puff stitch, you have to yarn over, pull out. This is 5. Then yarn over, pull out. You have to make 7 threads on the hook. Means 3 times yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull. When you have 7 threads on hook, then take out at once and then make 1 chain. Skip the second stitch and in third stitch make again puff. Like this you have to repeat the pattern. Puff stitch is very simple. Just insert the hook, yarn over, then you have 3 thread on the hook, then yarn over, then pull, you have 5, then yarn over, then pull, you have 7. Make it once. Likewise complete the round. Your round 3 is completed. Then join with the slip stitch. Round 3 is ready and you got the choli. Now the yarn which we left earlier, you have to make here 3 single crochet in these gaps. 1, same gap, 2 and 3. In these chain space you have to make 3 single crochet. One, 2, 3. Likewise make all the chain space. After that, fasten off the blue yarn and slip stitch the cream yarn to the first stitch and complete this round. This pattern is very easy. Beginner, intermediate, anyone can make this design. Just follow at once and you can get a very beautiful pretty dress. Now we will make the skirt or ghera. For this we have to divide it into two parts, left panel and right panel. Insert yarn on one side. We have to make the first panel. For this we have to work on 7 stitches for one side. Round 1, 2 chains. Now work 2 double crochet into each 7 stitches. Means you will get total 14 double crochet. 2 double crochet in one stitch for the next 7 stitches. 7 into 2, 14. For one panel we have to work on 7 stitches. If you like my pattern, if you like the way of explaining, detailing, please do subscribe my channel for amazing and new latest designs. Thank you so much for your support, for your love to my channel. Our 14 double crochet is ready. Then turn your work and make 2 chains. For round 2 we will make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, means first stitch. Then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 2. Likewise we will make the pattern in this round. 1, 2, 1, 2 double crochet. This round is complete. Now we will turn the work, make 2 chains. Now we will continue with 1 double crochet in all the stitches. No increase in this. After this, turn your work, chain 1, and now we will again make puff in the first stitch like we did earlier in the choli. Same puff stitch. This is 5 stitch on a hook. Then now 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then pull out at once. Make 1 chain. Skip the next stitch and make puff again in the third stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 7. Pull at once, make 1 chain. Likewise follow these puff stitch pattern for the whole. Here fasten off the yarn. Now we will work on the border. For this insert the cream color yarn at the corner space. Now make in these spaces, chain spaces, 3 half double crochet. This is 1, then second in the same space, and then third. 3 half double crochet in the same space. Then slip stitch into the top of this puff stitch. This is the puff stitch. In this, make the slip stitch. Like this. Now in the second chain space, make again 3 half double crochet and then slip stitch into the next puff stitch. Repeat these till the last end. You will get the first panel ready. Very amazing and easy to make pattern within minutes. Beautiful. Now fasten up the yarn. Your first panel is ready. Lovely. Now for second panel, skip 6 stitches from both the sides and insert the yarn again on the 7th stitch for other panel and make similar panel like before. Our dress is ready. Huge, beautiful Kanaji dress for size 0 to 1. Lovely. Now this we will make now tie string. Insert the yarn in the back panel where 6 we have keep the 6 stitches gap. Insert the yarn and we will make the tie string same into the back panel only, in the same panel, both to the both ends. Make chains of 40. Make 40 chains approx. If you want bigger, you can. At least 35 to 40 is it comfortable. Make both the string like this. In the same panel, make the other string. Ta-da-da! Our dress is ready. Beautiful with the strings. Now it's time for pagdi, or you can say cap. For this, make magic ring like this. In magic ring, we will crochet 6 single crochet. 1, 2, likewise 6. Pull the yarn, make sure it's tight, no gap in the hole. Now slip stitch to the first stitch, keep it tight. Now for second round, double the first round. These are 6. Now double it and make 2 single crochet in the one stitch. Then you get 12 single crochet total. Second round completed with 12 single crochet total. Slip stitch with the first stitch. Now time for round 3. In this you have to make 18 single crochet, 2 single crochet in first stitch, then 1 single crochet, means alternate increase. 2 1 2 1 2 1. First round 6 single crochet, second round 12 single crochet, and third round 18 single crochet. Make sure that first join the slip stitch. Now the main point is make sure as per your size. I am ended it with 18 slip stitch. If you want 18 single crochet, if you want bigger cap, then you make 24, means increase of after 2 like this. Now round 4 and 5 are same of 18 stitches just to give it curve. Slip stitch to the first stitch. We get the curve. Now in round 6, first stitch 1 single crochet, skip second stitch, and in third stitch make the shell. How shell? 2 double crochet in the stitch like this, 2 double crochet, then 1 chain, then in the same stitch make again 2 double crochet like this, 2 double crochet. This is the shell. You have to repeat the same pattern like this, 1 single crochet, then skip the next chain, and then set of 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet in the same stitch like this. Your round is completed. Join with the slip stitch to the first stitch. Our cute small cap is ready with shells. Beautiful. If you like this pattern, do subscribe my channel for such amazing more crochet videos every week. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you everyone.